So I'm working with some other students in the computer science department to see ways in which UVA Collab, our learning management system, can be a more effective tool for instructors. We've created a suite of tasks relating to the lessons feature of Collab, which is used to make web pages which can compile information that's needed for a course, whether that be all of the materials and information needed for a week of class, or a list of readings needed to be done before a specific class. Have you used this feature?
No.
Okay, that's totally fine, and maybe even better, since we'll be able to test how easy to learn the system is.
Okay.
What we've done is create a list of 10 tasks that utilize most of the primary features of the system, and we would like you to work through them. It's important to note that you are not what is being tested here. It is the UVA Collab system that is being tested, so there's no need to feel stressed about not completing the tasks quickly, or perhaps not being able to complete a task at all. This should not take more than 30 minutes. Would you like to help us?
Sure.
Great, I'm going to go ahead and get us set up here. So we get better information the more speaking you do, so please talk us through your entire thought process when you try to interact with the website.
Awesome, I'm good at that.
You're good at talking?
I'm good at talking out when I'm doing things.
Okay. So before we begin with the actual tasks, I would like for you to describe this interface for me. Is there anything that particularly jumps out as interesting to you? Just describe what you think of this page.
This right here?
Yes.
My eyes are immediately drawn to how to add context to this page due to the vanilla box. And then immediately my eyes are drawn to the link due to the contrast.
Okay.
Then after that, it's drawn to the bolded words here. And then it would make me inclined to start reading from the top down to figure out what these bolded words are.
Okay. So, what do you think of this page?
I mean, it looks fine. It doesn't, it feels a little more corporate, I feel, than I would like. Could it be a little more...
What do you mean by corporate? Do you mean like lacking in aesthetics? Or...
Lacking in aesthetics and feeling like it's very just to the point and not in a very interactive way.
So kind of Spartan. So kind of Spartan and minimal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like if I was to make a change here, it'd be like something with all of these icons on the side here just to help differentiate one from another.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Other than just the shape of the icon. Maybe color coding.
Alright. That's totally understandable. So I think we're going to get started on the tasks here.
Okay.
And so, just one moment. Let me get a timer set up.
Okay.
So, the first task here is, the most basic tasks of any lesson system. You're preparing to convert a course that you typically teach in person to an online format. You've heard from a colleague that Collab has a lessons feature, which may prove useful in compiling information for yourself and students. Please create 3 blank new lessons called Week 1, Week 3, and Week 2 for the first weeks of class in that order.
Okay. Add content, plus button, plus icon. Both these will add the content dialog. Must add text, add content, embed page. Place images, bed. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't like this.
What don't you like about it?
Well, to start off, these 2 boxes are not aligned. There's more white space in the areas where the text are,
Okay.
as opposed to above.
Sure.
I feel like if I was to make my own lesson plans, I would like it to be a little more formatted in... Oh, goodness, gravy. Okay, so add text. What is it? that just takes me to the lesson where I would implement what I'm wanting to say to my students. Is that what that's doing? I guess it's
what
not...
do you think it does?
That's what it is. It makes me think of, like, when you click on the assignment, that'll have the text there from the professor. It'll be like, just like the, hello students, this is lesson 7.5, or yada yada. I don't like that. Alright, let's go back to add content. Okay. I also don't like how, again, it's very corporate or Spartan feeling. There's just nothing going on here. And also ugly.
Okay.
It's very ugly.
So,
oh, yeah.
I appreciate your feedback.
And you want me
Please
to make...
try to finish the task.
Oh, it was just very, appalling. Okay, add content. Yeah. And I'm making different things. I'm making assignments, you said, correct?
You're adding 3 new lesson pages called Week 1, Week 3, and Week 2.
Go on button, okay. Assignment. Okay, let's go to... I'm going to click on assignment. Nope. Okay, let's try subpage. Page title?
Well, they're gonna love this.
Next page.
Testing.
Next page. This is assumed to be the next page. A sequence rather than a subpage. The most visible difference is how the pages show the breadcrumbs at the top. Most visible difference between pages. Okay. Week 1. Haha!
Okay. Do you think there could be another way that you would add a page?
It would probably be the best if there was a more like obvious way to show that. I guess add a page. I feel like that would be like one of the first things you want to do, and I would probably put the add subpage or add page closer to the top, right below icon, because that's what people are going to want to get started first with formatting a lesson plan. And maybe also just put these all in an order that people would use them for.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going back to doing that again. Oh, did I not do the thing right?
Well, I guess I should specify that subpages and pages are different.
Okay, cool. Nice. Add a subpage. I want to add a page. Add content plus bottom at the top. Add a new item to the bottom of the page. How do I make a new page?
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop you right there.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna need you to do is go to the site settings page.
Here?
No. In the left.
Oh, there.
menu.
Okay. These settings.
Yes. You're gonna click on Manage Tools.
Oh my goodness! Don't tell me.
Okay. So could you? Yeah. Here we go. So click on the second lessons there. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now scroll down and continue. And you're gonna want to pick the title there.
That's week 1.
Yes. Remember, it was week 1, week
Week
3,
three.
and then week 2.
And then just finish.
Yes. Okay.
And that's done.
So you have the week 1 lesson page. Okay.
And that's this right here. Or this right now. Where the fuck is this? Oh, I'm sorry. Mind my French.
Do not worry.
Wait.
Swearing is actually being measured in this test.
It is? Oh, okay. So I don't have to hold back.
When you get frustrated, that's good. That means
I
that's
am
more
frustrated.
data.
That was very fucking frustrating. Where is it? Where is it? Printable version? Is this it?
It is on the left-hand column here, below tests and quizzes.
That is. Why isn't it? What? Oh, wow. Why don't they make it obvious to show that this is now created, or a notification that says lesson 1 created, here it is. Would you like to go to here and edit it right away? Alright, so let me make those again. Where was it? It was site settings. You know, I'm going to go back a couple pages. It doesn't work that way. Okay. Nice. Wow.
It is in Manage Tools.
Oh, good God. It's in the manage. What? Is this different?
You clicked on Tool Order.
Oh. Site settings. Manage tools.
Okay.
And then lessons once more. Scroll down to the bottom. And then it's week 3.
Correct.
Continue.
Yeah.
Finish. Week 3 is there. And then manage tools. Lessons once more. Continue. Week 2.
Okay.
Continue. Finish.
Perfect. Okay, so that's task 1.
Okay, I don't like that. Is my next task putting them in order?
So, realizing that you mistakenly created week 3 before week 2, you would like to change the ordering so that week 2 appears second in the list and week 3 appears third in the list.
Okay.
Please change the order of this lesson so that they are in the order week 1, followed by week 2, and finally week 3.
Okay. Reorder them 1, 2, and 3. To order?
Okay. Perfect. Let me just
Alright.
jot a note there.
Okay. That one surprisingly was not that bad.
I did not know that tool order was even a thing. I think if you hadn't accidentally clicked on that, believe me, the actual the lesson reordering tool.
Is there an actual lesson reordering tool?
Yes, but that works fine.
Okay, I just saw that it said order, and I was like, oh, okay, well, I want to order things, and I assumed I would change the order of the layout on the left side.
That totally makes sense.
Yeah.
So let's see, 8 point. You finished that in 8 seconds.
Nice.
Okay, so task 3 here.
Oh, God.
You would like to include a brief introduction to the class in the first week's page. In the first lesson, create a column with a short welcome message to students of about 1 to 2 sentences.
In the first week,
Create a column with a short welcome message of about 1 to 2 sentences.
Okay. Let's add some content. We want to add form or topic. Let's go back to week 1. Icon. Add text. But what kind of text? Let's do form or topic again. When you say a column, is that literally a column? Or is it just like a page?
Do what you think is correct.
Okay, well, I'm just going to add some text. Hey, kiddos. Oh, gosh. I don't like this keyboard.
We are not testing the keyboard.
That's fine. I'll hate it anyway.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. Welcome to this class. This is the first week of us getting used to this god-awful website.
Okay.
All right. Save.
All right. So.
Is that what I was supposed to do?
One moment. I will say that you have partially completed the task. You have, however, not created a column.
How do I create a column? What is a... Oh. Nope. That didn't do what I thought it would. Normal. Where is it? Where is this now? What am I... I'm assuming I would be looking for something that would look like this, like like showing a column on the right side of a web page.
Mm-hmm.
But that's just show blocks. That isn't what I need at all. Here, maybe there's something on this side? Nope. Maybe more tools? Nope. No. Reorder? Nope. Tips?
What do you think about this page?
It's ugly.
Okay.
It's very ugly. Column. Maybe I can spell. I don't think I'm a good teacher if I can't spell. There's nothing in this tips and tricks about columns. That's good. It's good. I like to hear it. Okay. Site settings. Manage tools. No, that's not what I wanted. Maybe it's finish. Go away. Tool order. No. Week 1. I want to edit week 1. No. 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 Okay, what am I looking for? Is this something that's in like the site settings as well? Because I feel like I've gone over.
Do you think there's anywhere where you haven't looked? Or any button you haven't pressed?
I mean, I can press everything. That'll eventually get me there, but I don't want to press everything because that would just make me need to revert everything that was wrong. Everything that looks like it would do it, I've pressed. A call. Is this by column? Do you mean a table?
No.
Okay. Image. I don't know what a Kaltura is, but I'm assuming that's not it.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop you there.
Cool.
Alright. Can you please go back to the week 1 page? Okay. Do you see this icon here? Yes. Yeah. Okay, there you go. So now we're going to move on to the next task.
Okay.
How did that make you feel?
Stupid, but also, that doesn't look too much like a column. It looks like a book.
Okay, so didn't recognize column icon. How do you think a column icon should look like?
Tall and slender.
Okay.
Maybe with some fucking top parts to it. I forget what they're called, like the current.
Like a Roman column.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Something that looks like a column.
So we're gonna move on to the next task. Right?
Okay.
You know that if you don't make a syllabus quiz, your students will never read it. It seems like a good idea to have a link to the quiz in the first week. In the first week, create a column that includes a link to the syllabus quiz. This quiz has already been created for this example, so you don't have to.
So make a link for the quiz.
Yes.
In the first week.
Yes. The quiz has already been created, so you don't need to go through creating the quiz.
Okay, cool. Syllabus quiz. Okay, let's just go to here. Maybe I don't need to click on that. Let's do add content, tester quiz, syllabus quiz. Okay. That do it?
Yes. Except you didn't create a column.
Oh, right. A separate column.
Yes, a separate column.
More tools. Add more pages. Quiz. Where did it go? Okay, delete that. Delete that. Subpage. Quiz. Add content. Add text.
Okay, so what you've done here is created a subpage with a link to the quiz in it. Not an extra column with the quiz in it.
Lame. Add a new item below this column. Add a new one above this one. Add content. Add text. Quiz. Nope. Yeah, just delete. Delete.
Disregard that.
Okay. Add a checklist, add a question. More tools. Add more pages. Where are my pages? Why are there no pages? I feel like reorder. I'm assuming that's just part of the... What is this?
I need you to talk more about your thought process as you're going through
Yeah,
this.
yeah. Okay, so I went to the... God, what even was that? I went to the reorder, maybe thinking that it was just not visible to me. And lo and behold, I think I found what the fuck I was looking for. So but that, no, that's just going to link... That's not... Is that what I'm trying to do? Like a test or quiz here?
Yes, you're trying to make a link to the syllabus.
And then make it a column.
Okay.
That do that?
Yes. Yes, we can call that correct.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh.
I'm a bit confused what you even did there. Can you walk me through that again?
Okay, so I went to the
More tools.
and then I added more pages, and then I put in quiz,
Uh-huh.
and then I clicked save.
Okay.
But I see that it didn't show up here. So I assumed that maybe something was wrong with the website given how it's been functioning so far. So I went to reorder thinking that it was somewhere on the page, just not visible to me.
Okay. Gotcha.
And so I went here, I found it, hiding. So I brought it down to the bottom where I would see it and clicked save. The only issue is then it gets rid of the second one.
Okay.
So you wouldn't be able to put in any more than... It gets rid of the first one, sorry. It gets rid of the first thing. The first subject, whatever, on week 1.
Okay.
It combines them. No, yeah, it fucking combines 1 and 2.
Okay, so... I think we're just going to move on to the next task. I think if you could just put the quiz back into the other column, that would be fine.
Put it into the other column?
Yes, but put it back where it was.
Put it back where it was. Oh, no, no! Let me just redo it real quick. Delete.
Okay.
Nope. Cancel. More tools. Add more pages. Quiz. Save. Reorder. What? What?
I'm gonna be honest with you, that's not how you solved the problem before.
I didn't go to add more pages. I went to quiz. I did save.
Okay.
I didn't find it.
So this is yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What the fuck did I just do?
So what you need to do is you need to go to add content,
I went to add content.
and then you do the link to the quiz.
Oh yeah, that is what I did. Okay.
Okay. And then you need to make it into a separate column.
Yes. Reorder. No.
So how you do that is you click on the column button. Sorry.
Nope.
Yes. So that's in 2 columns.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. Well, no. Actually, sorry. Never mind. Can you just set that back?
I don't like this. What do you... I swear I did the same thing that I did before, and it didn't give me the right one.
I'm actually very confused. Okay, okay. That's in a separate column.
It is a separate column.
Yes, let's call that a separate column.
Okay, that's... Okay. It's ugly.
Okay.
And
Alright.
not separated.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Next.
So, our next task. To break the ice with students, you've decided to include one of your favorite songs in the first lesson.
Mhm.
Create a new section with an embedded YouTube video of one of your favorite songs in the first lesson.
A new section.
A new section.
Is that within the first week?
Yes, that's on the first week page.
A new section. That's not the same as... What was that one? A new... Is that a subpage? Would that be a subpage?
Subpages and sections are different.
Okay, so those are different things. Okay. Looking for a section. More tools? Nope. Add text, embed content on page. Add content on page. This might be what I'm looking for. Am I looking up a song now?
Yes, just include one of your favorite songs.
Okay.
As a YouTube video.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I know exactly what I want.
Okay.
Okay, save.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
that doesn't look like the right thing.
do you
Is
think
it?
this is in a new section?
Huh?
Do you think this is in a new section?
No.
Okay.
Because there's...
How do you think we would get it to a new section?
I'm clicking on this right now, trying to see if there's something to separate these at a column break, maybe? Can I just move this over there, please?
Okay. So,
Please, just let me do that. Add content links. Okay, so I do this here, save, and then I would trash this here, delete,
okay.
and then I would do this actually one more time just to fix that up and give me another column. No, wait, no, this is a section break.
Yes.
Section
We're
break
looking
here.
for an additional section.
Okay. So where was the section? Right here? Nope. Add content links. So many Gummy Bear songs. I would trash this, delete. And then I would trash... Where did delete go? I can't find it. That's fine. Alright, let's just add that tester quiz once more then. There. And that's a column.
Okay.
Or nope, that's not what I want. Okay, cool.
Okay. So, I will say that that is not an embedded YouTube video.
They want an embedded YouTube video.
Yes, it's an embed.
Okay. Is there a... There's not. Tell all prerequisites are... Nope. Okay. No. It's embedded code, but I want an embedded video. So... Embed content. Okay. Save.
Okay. I will say that task is completed, but I'm gonna have to fix some things here before we can continue.
Cache that. And then I don't know how to get rid of that.
Okay, so we're gonna...
That's the close page?
Oh man.
Join two adjacent columns, that's...
Okay, so let's see. Let me apologize for this. I just have to fix this, or else like none of the tasks going forward will work.
That's fine.
Okay, here we go. All right. So,
Wow.
again, we are testing the system, not you.
The system's broken.
The school is closed. The prison's open.
Yeah. It's oh my goodness, gravy.
Okay, so are you ready for the next task?
Sure, let's go.
Okay.
Ready as I will ever be.
Okay, so knowing that a number of students will not join the class until the second week of school, it seems like a good idea to include a link to the syllabus quiz in the second lesson as well. Please import the quiz link from the first lesson into the second lesson.
Wow, that sounds way more complicated than it needs to be. Okay, week 2. And I'm doing this with another column or page.
Just import the quiz into the second week.
Import the quiz.
Any way you like.
Any way I'd like. Okay, let's do this. I don't care about that. Let's go here. Add more pages.
Okay.
Quiz. Link. maybe? Okay. Where did it go? Add content. Okay. Let's go back to week 1. We're gonna go here. Get the link to the quiz. Week 2. I'm going to add content. I'm going to embed content on this page, which would be the link to the quiz. No. Okay.
So you added a link, correct?
Yes.
To the quiz.
Yes.
Okay. So, I will say that is not necessarily what the task says, which says to import the quiz link from the first lesson into the second lesson.
Import the quiz link. Okay. Let's try this a little differently. Import the quiz link from the first week. So it would be something that would redirect me from the second week to the first week.
Yes. Sorry, no.
From the
Sorry, it would redirect. It would pull the quiz link that is in the week 1 lesson and put it into the week 2 lesson.
And it's not the same as me just putting the quiz here again.
It's not the same as copying and pasting the link.
But
it's not accessible to students.
Okay, but is it the same as me going again and just putting the quiz here once more?
While that would fulfill the same purpose, it is not the purpose of the task that we're trying to complete.
Oh, okay. Let's give this boy one more go. Let's see. Plus? Looking around, trying to find... No, I don't want to link things. I don't want to add a subpage. I don't want to add a content links. I don't want to embed content on the page. I don't want to do any of that. Okay, let's go back to week 2. Week 2. Let's add some content on here. Adding text, no. Embed content on the page. And the words you used for it was what again?
Import.
I want to import a link. Okay, I want to import my lesson from week 1 here.
You want to...
My quiz 1 here. I want to
import the quiz link from the first lesson.
Yes. Import CC? I don't think that's what I want. Yeah, no. Add content. Text. Content page. Link assignment. Link to a forum or a topic. No. Check. Let's try this form. Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna stop you right there.
Okay.
Alright, so, what do you think CC stands for?
It said
on import CC.
It said something about like a cartridge something. Where did it go? Here? I can't even find it anymore.
Okay, it's under more tools.
Oh. Yeah, it was the common cartridge, and I was like, okay, so that's probably something to do with printers.
Okay.
And then I looked over his textbook vendors and stuff, and I didn't think that would quite do it.
Okay. So, CC stands for course content.
You're shitting me. But I have to choose a file. And I can't just click on the course content that would already be listed in here and not have a separate tab that would indicate upload course content. Am I looking for... What am I looking for?
Okay.
Is
So I want you to go to week 1.
Going to week 1.
I need you to go to more tools.
More tools.
export.
Oh my god. Use the, I guess, newest. Use the newest version of this file, recommended for Canvas, Moodle, and Blackboard. Download. Week 2. Import. What is it? Sakai. So
It should be in the downloads.
Is
If
this
you
in-
go to the everything else and then downloads. Sorry. You're not being tested on how well you know my file structure. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Save. There you go. Alright. Now, we're going to move on to the next task.
Why?
I'm deeply sorry.
Who did, is this the website
Yes.
people use?
Yes. Combine the welcome message column and the column with the YouTube video in lesson 1 to a single column.
Combine them to a column.
Yes.
The welcome message and the...
And the YouTube video.
Oh, goodness. And I can't just drag and drop them. I can't, really. Join two adjacent regions into one. I have a big brain play going on right now.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to save. I'm going to... How did I separate things again? Add a... Here, let's go here first. No, actually, yeah. Here. Add a section break.
Okay. So as a reminder of the task, combine the welcome message column and the column with the YouTube video in lesson 1 to a single column.
That's what I'm trying to do. I was trying to have this one be on the left side. Oh, I could just go read fucking order. I could just go read all. Oh, okay. Column break. Reorder. That.
Okay. Good job.
Is that it?
It's one way of doing it, certainly. And it worked.
Yay!
Okay.
I think.
So, now it's time for
Oh no.
task number 8, which is fairly similar to...
Wait, we're already on 8? Shit.
There are 10 tasks total.
Okay.
So, fairly similar to the previous task.
Uh-huh.
You just need to combine all sections in the first lesson.
Just combine them all
Combine them all into a single section.
into a single section, but not a column.
You can put them in the same column if you'd like, as long as they're in the same section.
Like so?
They're not all in the same section.
Oh, okay.
Please narrate.
I'm trying to find... Okay, so section break. So the area where the quiz was, that was a section, right?
Yes.
So if I put everything into that area, that would make them all in the same section, correct?
If you think does that. Unfortunately, there are still multiple sections on this page.
And I have to get rid of those.
Yes.
Okay, reorder then. Get rid of this. And get rid of these and then save.
Okay.
And that would give me one section with all of this together.
Okay. So that is correct.
Okay.
Do you think there is a possible other way to combine sections together?
I should be able to drag and drop. I should be able to right click on the web page and it should automatically come down with a add a new section or add a new page.
Okay. Do you think there is an existing way to combine sections that doesn't involve using the reorder tool?
In this currently?
Yes.
There might be. It definitely wouldn't be any faster than finding just reorder.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is show you how Collab wants you to combine sections
Oh
together.
god, I'm scared.
Okay, so let's say we have a section break after the video, but before the quiz. Okay, so they expect you to click this icon here,
Yeah.
and that should combine the sections.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what I was trying to do earlier when I collapsed the song and the quiz together, and then I was gonna put them all together with the intro, but you said that was all in the columns. So I figured that if I press this would just join.
So that button is not there.
Yeah, it's not.
The
But
merge
for the
button.
other ones, I'm referring to like.
So if you would press the merge button on all of them, then they would all be in the same column and same section.
Which is where the issue.
I said as long as they're all in the same section, it's fine if they're in the same column or not.
Okay. I still feel like that's more thought than it needs to be, as opposed to just doing reorder and Xing out the things.
Okay, no problem. It's good information. Okay, so now we're on to task 9.
Okay.
You remember that class is canceled for week 3.
Okay.
Delete the week 3 lesson.
Okay. Oh goodness gravy, where's that like starting page again? It was in the course site settings? Manage tools.
Okay.
Week 3. Continue. Finish.
Okay. I'm not sure what happened here. It seems like there's a duplicate.
Where? Oh, here?
Yeah.
That's odd. That was there, I think, prior.
Okay.
Just ignore that.
Okay. Let's just.
Oh. I think I know what it is. I think one is what's available, and the other one is what's what's there. All I did was basically hide week 3. Because that seemed like the easiest solution.
Okay. And now on to the final task. Create a new lesson titled Week 4 that replaces the deleted lesson.
Okay. So just like make a new week 4?
Yes.
Okay. Where was that again? It was in manage tools, lessons, continue. Week 4, continue. Yeah. Manage tools. Oh, it's just all the way at the bottom. Okay. Tool order.
Perfect.
Where did it go?
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. So, you've completed the tasks as they are laid out. But before you go, we have a quick survey we would like you to fill out about the highlights and pain points you experienced when performing these tasks.
Okay.
Would you say on a scale from 1 to 10, how frustrating was this system?
10 being the highest.
And 1 being the lowest, yes.
I'm gonna say it started off at like a 9,
Mm-hmm.
and then towards the end there, I'm gonna say it's probably like a 7.
Okay.
Because while I did understand how to do it, it did not make it any better or easier.
And overall?
Let's go for an 8.
Okay. Alright. What do you think was the worst element of the interface?
I think trying to make a new page, like a new week 1 and 2 and 3, that's just completely fucking hidden.
Okay. Alright. Were there any features that seemed to be missing?
Drag and drop.
Okay.
More, I feel like it'd be much better to have icons ready right there on the page that teachers are most likely going to be using, kind of maybe like a toolbar instead of like a click on the tabs, pull down the thing, and then looking for it. For the course export import, I shouldn't have to download a file. I should just be able to put in a link to the website or something, just something different.
Okay. What do you think was the best element of the existing system? Is there anything that you wouldn't change?
Is there anything I wouldn't change? Let me go back to my song.
I mean a serious answer.
Alright, the reorder button, I feel like is very helpful. That's the one thing I probably wouldn't get rid of.
Okay, so the reorder tab.
Yeah, that's...
Okay.
But that could also be just completely opted out if you just had something like drag and drop, so you don't have to click on multiple tabs. And you can immediately see how the format changes with things like a drag and drop.
Okay.
And with the drag and drop, automatic merging sections and columns.
Mm-hmm.
Galaxy brain.
So
ideas.
Of the tasks, you were let's see. Let me just
do some quick maps.
Okay. So, do you think if you were being asked to do these tasks again, would there be any that you wouldn't be able to complete? Would you like a refresher on some of the tasks?
I'm just going over them at the moment. Just thinking I think I'd be able to manage my way around them much better now, but I don't know if I'd be able to do it again if I didn't do this for like a week.
Okay.
I would probably forget at least a couple of the tasks.
Alright. Okay, and so from that response, how would you rate the learnability of the system on a scale from 1 to 10?
3.
3.
Because I didn't see anything in the tips area that really gave you a tip on how to make a lesson.
Okay.
Or like lesson layout.
Gotcha. So what would be the primary thing you think could be changed to make the system more learnable?
easily identifiable ways to manipulate your web page. Like having like this up here, instead of just having add content, more tools, reorder tips, have just things laid out and preferably in an order that people would most likely be using them.
Okay.
So it'd be like the add the page, add text to that page.
Okay. Thank you. That is all we have for you today.
Yay. I hope I never have to come back.
Okay, let's stop the